Hello everyone, good morning. So কেইটামান কুৱেশ্যন লৈ আছোঁ মানে এক্সামত অহা অইলত লাষ্ট যিটো এক্সাম হৈ গৈছিলে তাত অহা কিছুমান কুৱেশ্যন লৈ আছোঁ গোটেইখিনি 1/100 লাগে। চ' আপোনালোকৰ মিলাই যাব। এইটো মৰ্ণিং শ্বিপৰ আছিলে, প্ৰথম দিনো মৰ্ণিং শ্বিপৰ কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰ। চ' ব'লক আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। হুইচ অফ দ্য ফলোইং ইজ দ্য চিননিমছ অফ দ্য ৱৰ্ড কম্প্ৰেহেণ্ড ডেনি এপ্ৰিচিয়েট ইজ দ্য কাৰেক্ট আনচাৰ। চ' নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন, fill in blanks with correct option. Vikas is dash youngest in the family. ইয়াৰ আনসাৰ কি হ'ব? দা হ'ব, মানে চি নম্বৰ হ'ব। So which of the following is antonyms of the word divine? So B হ'ব bizarre is the correct answer. I hurt my knee yesterday. What is yesterday in the sentence? ইয়াৰ আনসাৰ হ'ব adverb. Next question, fill in blanks with correct option to complete the sentence in future perfect continuous tense. I dash here for 3 hours by 6 o'clock. So your answer will be will be waiting. I will be waiting here for 3 hours by 6 o'clock. Fill in blanks with correct option. God made the country and man made the country is the correct answer. One option A hobo. The next question, which of the following India's neighboring country has the smallest land area? ইয়াৰ আনসাৰ কি হ'ব আপোনালোকে কওক। ভূটান আছে, ম্যানমাৰ আছে, শ্ৰীলংকা আছে, পাকিস্তান আছে। চবতকৈ আপোনাৰ স্মলেষ্ট লেণ্ড এৰিয়া হ'ল ভূটানৰ, নেবাৰিং কাণ্ট্ৰিও হয়। চ' নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন, হু ৱাজ দ্য ফাৰ্ষ্ট প্ৰেচিডেণ্ট অফ আছাম সাহিত্য সভাৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট প্ৰেচিডেণ্ট কোন আছিলে? চ' আমি সকলোৱে জানো। চ' ইয়াৰ অপশ্যনকেইটা পঢ়ি নিদিলেও হ'ব, যিহেতু আনচাৰ জানোৱে। পদ্মানাথ গোহাঁই বৰুৱা। So which dance form is considered a traditional folk dance of Assam? Bhangra, Kuchipudi, Bihu, Garba. Bihu is the correct answer. What is the capital city of Assam? Shillong, Dispur, Ranchi, Patna. Dispur is the correct answer. Next question, which of the following language is known as the official language of Assam? Answer hobo A, Assamese. Which agriculture product is primarily cultivated in Assam? Answer hobo B, rice. So বহুতে জোট দি আহিছিলে হয় নাই বাৰু? Who is the father of Indian Constitution? ইয়াৰো আনচাৰ আপোনালোকে সকলোৱে জানেই। মই তেতিয়াও অপশ্যনকেইটা পঢ়ি দিছোঁ। হানসা মেহতা, সৰোজিনী নাইডু, ৰাজেন্দ্ৰ প্ৰসাদ। তো আনচাৰ হ'ব বি আৰ আম্বেদকাৰ। দ্য ইণ্টেলিজেণ্ট মেন। মানে তেখেতসকলৰ লগত ডিবেট কোনো কৰিবই নোৱাৰিছিলে পাৰ্লিয়ামেণ্টত। এনেকুৱা এটা মাল্টি টেলেণ্টেড পাৰ্চন আছিলে, মানে এনেকুৱা জ্ঞানী, বহুত বেছি জ্ঞানী আছিল তেখেত। তেখেতৰ সংবিধানখন আপোনালোকে মেবি চাইছে। আৰু ছেকুলাৰিজম কেলৈ নকৈছিলে, বহুত দিনলৈ ইণ্ডিয়াখন নকৈছিলে কেলৈ, হৈ পেলাইও তেখেতে সেইটো কোনে কোনে জানে বাৰু ক'বচোন। Next question, in which year was the first crude oil extracted in Assam? Answer হ'ব 1889, D number. Oil has its participating interest in which of the following countries? New Zealand, China, Nepal. Answer হ'ব Nigeria. Nigeria is the correct answer. Which refinery in Assam uses the slogan Prakriti ke saath Prakriti ke aur? Correct answer হ'ব আপোনাৰ গুৱাহাটী ৰিফাইনাৰী। আপোনাৰ কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 3টোৰ আনচাৰটো হ'ব নৰ্মেল দেই। মই বিজেৰি বুলি কৈছিলোঁ, বিজেৰি। চ' আনচাৰ হ'ব নৰ্মেল। চ' নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন, what was the first crude oil production capacity in Digboy oil field? So ইয়াৰ আনচাৰ হ'ব অপশ্যন A, 200 gallons per day. So next question, which company operates the largest gas pipeline in the country? Option কেইটা দিয়া গৈছে, আদানী টোটাল গেছ, গেল, so Petronet, and LNG, Gujarat Gas. Answer হ'ব গেল। So next question, Oil India Limited is administratively under which ministry? So সকলোৱে জানে Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas. Next question. The name of oil city of Assam is কি হ'ব answer? Option কেইটা দিয়া গৈছে ডিগবৈ, বঙাইগাঁও, নুমলীগড়, দুলীয়াজান. ডিগবৈ is the correct answer. Next question. In a row of 7 chairs, John sits in the 4th chair of the left and Mary sits in the 6th chair from the right. And then how many chairs are there between John and Mary? John and Mary মাজত কেইখন চেয়াৰ আছে বুলি কৈছে ৰিজনিং কুৱেশ্যন হয় ইয়াৰ আনসাৰ হ'ব আপোনাৰ 1 সো এখানে ৰিজনিং কুৱেশ্যন আছে গোটেই সো মই অকল কৈছো আনসাৰখিনি কৈ গৈছো আপোনাৰ 22 নম্বৰ আনসাৰটো হ'ব সাউথ টেষ্ট নম্বৰটো হ'ব টেষ্ট নম্বৰটো কি হ'ব বাৰু কক 3080 is the correct answer. তাৰপিছতে আপোনাৰ 25 নম্বৰটো মাদাৰ হ'ব আনসাৰ দেন আহিব 26 টো ডি নম্বৰ হ'ব আৰু 27 টো neither conclusion 1 হ'ব nor 2 হ'ব so 28 টো হ'ব 40 cm square দেন আহিব 29 টো হ'ব 61.53 km per hour. Then 32 hobo 27 meter. Then 31 to hobo 15 liter. Then 32 hobo 100 days. এখানে গুটিখিনি রিজনিং কোয়েশ্চন হয় মই আনসার কিটা অকল কৈ গৈছো তো 12.5 হ'ব 33 আনসারটো দেন আহিব ইয়াৰ আপোনাৰ 285 হ'ব আনসাৰটো এবাৰ চেক কৰি যাব আপোনালোকে দা 36 or হ'ব আপোনাৰ 34 আনসাৰ 37 or হ'ব আনসাৰ 16 38 or হ'ব আপোনাৰ কি হ'ব কক আনসাৰ ইয়াৰ 16 হ'ব 37 টো আপোনাৰ 16 হ'ব 38 টো আপোনাৰ 16 হ'ব আৰু 39 টো হ'ব আপোনালোকৰ 22 then 42 হ'ব আপোনাৰ আনসাৰ 3 নেক্সট আহিলে এটা আপোনাৰ ট্ৰেডৰ কোৱেশ্চন so which valve lets the burn gases out of an engine আমি সকলোৱে জানো exhaust valve so what should be avoided when maintaining the air cool system to ensure efficient heat dissipation so answer কি হ'ব painting the engine excessively 43 আপোনাৰ Ohm's law formula সুধিছে what formula correctly explains Ohm's law for an electric circuit answer হ'ব voltage equal to current into resistance so next question 44 calculate the compression ratio if the clearance volume is 0.05 liter and swept volume is 0.45 liter answer for 10 which type of feed provides a tight and immovable assembly interference feed the diameter of a flywheel is 30 cm what is the circumference of the flywheel your answer 94.2 cm which component control the fuel delivery to the rail metering valve is the correct answer which of the following is not considered the first aid measure administering medication C number is the correct answer next question 49 what power the turbine in the turbocharger the answer exhaust gases next question which part of a hammer is used for striking purpose face which liquid is used in SCR system to reduce nitrous oxide emission urea solution is the correct answer in a small gas turbine the turbine inlet temperature is limited due to lack of cooling of the turbine blades next question 53 What is the fundamental distinction between internal and external combustion engine design? Location of the combustion process. Which component is used to trap soot particles in the diesel engine? DPF is the correct answer. Diesel particulate filter. Next question. 55 to আপোনাৰ মই অকল কৈ দিছোঁ কি হ'ব আনচাৰটো আপোনালোকে নিজে মিলাই ল'ব A is the correct answer 56 what is the primary function of turbocharger in a diesel engine turbocharger মানে primary function কি হ'ব বুলি কৈছে to increase the intake air pressure and efficiency next question 57 what is the key features of gang drilling machine multiple drills which operate simultaneously. What phenomenon is utilized by the fiber optic in the endoscope? Answer about total internal reflection. Which type of catalyst is preferred for high temperature performance in SCR system? Iron zeolite is the correct answer. Which protective clothes element is crucial for handling engines and car parts that become extremely hot. Globes. Why is a thermostat used in cooling system to maintain a constant engine temperature? A number 2 correct answer. Next question. What type of penetrant contain dyes that are visible under both white light and ultraviolet light? Answer কি হ'ব কওক আপোনালোকে answer হ'ব dual mode penetrant which company failure is likely to cause diesel engine emit black smoke answer কি হ'ব কওক EGR malfunction next question if a 48 volt battery is connected to a 6 ohm resistor what is the current so here হ'ব আপোনালোকৰ 8 ampere Which of the following drilling machine is typically used for heavy drilling operation? Which of the following drilling machine is typically used for heavy duty operation? Ki hobo ya radial drilling machine is the correct answer. What is the core hole plug are known as? What type of plug? Freeze plug is the correct answer. If a fire extinguisher has a discharge rate of 1.8 kg minute and contain 9 kg of extinguisher agent, how long will it take for a extinguisher to discharge completely? The answer ki hobo apunalok 5 minutes is the correct answer. An electric motor perform 1200 joule of work in 20 seconds. What is its power output? Answer ki hobo apunalok 60 watt is the correct answer. In reverse redrawing, how is the seat positioned? C number is the correct answer. The seat faces down. What is the purpose of incorporating piston ring into a piston assembly? Your answer is to seal the combustion chamber and control oil. What is the main purpose of cleaning tools regularly? To prevent rust and improve performance. Here is the correct answer. What is the performance of common feeding system in fuel injection? B number to replace the common rail with a small accumulator in the pump. What does EGR stand for? B number is the correct answer. Exhaust gas recirculation. Next question. Which of the following represent a primary electrochemical cell? Your answer ki hobo apnalok kok. Dry cell is the correct answer. How do counterweight affect the operation of crankshaft? The answer ki hobo apnalok jane by balancing the crankshaft. What is the probable cause for diesel knock in a running engine? Clogged air filter is the correct answer. Option D hobo. What does tolerance in engineering refer to? Option answer hobo the permissible variation in the dimension. 78 the required compression to breathe ratio in CPR cardiopulmonary resuscitation resuscitation is কি হ'ব কওক মোৰ pronunciation নাযাওক 30:2 what distinguishes a Phillips screwdriver from a flat blade screwdriver mechanically its cross shaped head D number is the correct answer what does a swirl chamber do in a diesel engine ইয়াৰ answer হ'ব increase turbulence for better air fuel mixture 81 for engine with multiple cylinders the main critical resonance usually occur at an order equal to the number of cylinders how is the least count of a micrometer calculated answer option A is the correct answer pitch of the screwdriver divided by the number of division of a on the circular scale so next question 83 what is the sequence of stroke in the 4-stroke engine কি হ'ব কোক option A সবে জানে ইনটেক হয় কম্প্ৰেছনৰ পাৱাৰ যায় এক্সেছ হয় so what is the following engine operates with its combustion process occurring outside the engine cylinder or chamber your answer কি হ'ব কোক steam engine is the correct answer within which among the following frequency ranges to ultrasonic testing techniques typically operate 10 ms to 100 ms is the correct answer নহয় ভুল answer হ'ব A 1 mhz to 10 mhz next question which of the following mechanical issues can prevent an engine from starting even the battery and starter motor arm functioning properly answer hobo lack of compression in cylinder what is the effect of temperature on the resistance of a conductor made of a semiconductor material resistance decrease with temperature option D is the correct answer according to ACEA standard what does E is indicate in diesel engine oil calibration so answer hobo heavy duty engine next question ইয়াৰ answer hobo আপোনালোকক মিলাই চাব আপুনি কোৱেশ্চনটো নিজে পঢ়ি ল'ব so ভিডিওটো অলমোস্ট বহুত লম্বা হৈ গ'ল 20 ডিগ্ৰী সেলসিয়াস so 90 hobo all of the above আপোনাৰ over tightening a micrometer during measurement মানে কি হ'ব যদি over tightening কৰি দিয়ে next question which process is used to deform the sheet metal into the desired shape without removing any material enhance C number 1 sir enhance its stiffness next question which screwdriver is used for a screw with a single straight slot in the head so answer hobo কি হ'ব কোক answer flat head screwdriver next question which parameter in radiographic testing determine the clarity and sharpness of the defect image answer hobo focal spot size which among the following fuel gases is most frequently utilized in gas welding process acetylene is the correct answer in a warm with some lubrication system what is the role of the oil pan to answer hobo to store lubricating oil in a welding process the efficiency of the shielded metal arc welding SMAW setup is 60% if 10 kW of a power is supplied how much power is effectively used in welding so your answer was 6 kilowatt so what are the two type of cylinder slip used in engine block wet and dry is the correct answer B number hobo when applying tolerance what does a basic size refer to your answer ki hobo the nominal size used as a reference A number 1 sir so 99 what is the effect of parallax error when using a steel rule improperly so answer hobo C inaccurate reading due to improper view angle so next question which of the following best describe the function of the cylinder block in an engine so answer hobo it houses the cylinder piston and other essential ইঞ্জিন কম্পনেণ্ট এ নাম্বাৰ ইজ দ্য কাৰেক্ট আনচাৰ ডেটছ অল ফৰ টুডে চ' আপোনালোকৰ এক্সাম কেনেকুৱা হ'ল ক'ব মোক জনাব চ' ধন্যবাদ আৰু এনেকুৱা ভিডিঅ' পাই থাকিবলৈ মোৰ চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব থেংক ইউ ফৰ ৱাচিং দিছ ভিডিঅ'